Politics is heating up just days after the Waqf Amendment Bill officially became law. Now, key constituents of the India Alliance have moved to the Supreme Court, challenging the new legislation. Here's a detailed report on the political storm brewing over the Waqf Act.
Honorable member,
The Waqf Amendment Bill has now become law.
bill is passed.
Passed by both houses of parliament, but instead of closure, it has opened a new front in national politics. Opposition parties, especially those in Indy bloc, has launched a legal and political offensive against the act. The Samajwadi Party, Rashtriya Janata Dal and National Conference has filed petitions in the Supreme Court, challenging the constitutional validity of the Waqf Act. RJD leader Mohammad Izhar Aswi accused the centre of amending the law to target Waqf land and the Muslim community.
हमारे जो इस संविधान को वक्फ की ज़मीन को वक्फ की हमारे पूर्वजों ने जो वक्फ किया है उसको हड़पने के लिए ये मौजूदा सरकार कानून को चेंज किया है, जिसका हम पुरजोर खिलाफ करते हैं, मुखालिफ करते हैं और संविधान का रक्षा करने के लिए हमने आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट का दरवाजा खटखटाया है.
Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Omar Abdullah also strongly criticized the act, calling it an intrusion into the religious and community affairs of Muslims. He confirmed that his party, the National Conference, will challenge the law in apex court.
वक्फ बिल को लेके एक अच्छा खासा तबका जम्मू कश्मीर का बल्कि इस मुल्क का वो इस बिल से नाराज हैं, परेशान हैं. उनको लगता है कि उनके मजहबी मामलों में हुकूमत जो है वो दखल दे रही है और इसी चीज़ का हमारे मेंबर जो हैं वो एजिटेट कर रहे थे. अब चलिए, हाउस में जो वो बात नहीं कर सके, अब पार्टी ने शायद फैसला किया है कि बाकियों के साथ वो इस चीज़ को सुप्रीम कोर्ट में ले जाएंगे. ले जाएं, अदालत फैसला करे.
Adding the chorus, SPMP Ziaur Rahman also approached the Supreme Court, calling the legislation unconstitutional, arbitrary and in violation of fundamental rights.
Challenge in this petition is the newly amended Waqf Act, which is in our petition we have said that it is unconstitutional, arbitrary and in violation of the fundamental rights as enshrined under Part 3 of the Constitution. Article 14, 15, 25 and 26 have been violated by this amendment and therefore the challenge.
Honorable member,
With the Waqf Amendment Act now officially in force,
bill is passed.
the legal and political battle lines are drawn, and the centre's confrontation with the Indy bloc is expected to intensify in days ahead.